2 Creative Recipes Using Cucumbers Part 4. Cucumber and Smoked Salmon Roll UPS, a delicate and flavorful appetizer. Introduction: Cucumber and smoked salmon roll-ups are a delightful combination of freshness, crunchiness, and smoky flavors. This appetizer is not only visually appealing but also a perfect balance of textures and tastes. The crispness of cucumber pairs perfectly with the delicate and savory smoked salmon, creating a light and refreshing dish that is perfect for parties, gatherings, or as an elegant appetizer. In this video, we will explore the qualities of cucumber and smoked salmon roll-ups, including the key ingredients, preparation steps, and serving suggestions. 1. The essence of cucumber and smoked salmon roll UPS. Cucumber and smoked salmon roll-ups offer a harmonious blend of flavors and textures. The cool and crunchy cucumber serves as a refreshing base, while the smoky and rich flavor of the salmon adds depth and complexity. The combination of these two ingredients, along with a hint of creaminess, creates a delicate and flavorful appetizer that is sure to impress guests. Whether served as an elegant starter or as part of a light meal, these roll-ups are a versatile and delicious option. 2. Ingredients for cucumber and smoked salmon roll UPS. To make cucumber and smoked salmon roll-ups, you will need the following ingredients. Cucumbers. Choose firm and fresh cucumbers, preferably English or Persian cucumbers, as they have a mild flavor and fewer seeds. The cucumbers should be sliced lengthwise into thin strips using a mandolin slicer or a sharp knife. Smoked salmon. Select high-quality smoked salmon that is thinly sliced. Look for salmon with a delicate smoky flavor and a moist texture. Cream cheese. Use plain cream cheese to add a creamy and slightly tangy element to the roll-ups. You can also use flavored cream cheese, such as dill or lemon, to add an extra layer of flavor. Fresh dill. Dill is a classic herb that pairs perfectly with both cucumber and smoked salmon. Use fresh dill to add a burst of herbaceous flavor to the roll-ups. Lemon juice. Freshly squeezed lemon juice adds a tangy and bright flavor to the roll-ups, enhancing the overall taste of the dish. Salt and pepper. Season the roll-ups with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. 3. Preparation steps. Now let's walk through the step-by-step process of making cucumber and smoked salmon roll-ups. Step 1. Prepare the ingredients. Wash and dry the cucumbers and fresh dill. Slice the cucumbers lengthwise into thin strips using a mandolin slicer or a sharp knife. Finely chop the fresh dill. Step 2. Assemble the roll UPS. Lay a cucumber strip flat on a clean surface. Spread a thin layer of cream cheese evenly over the cucumber strip. Place a slice of smoked salmon on top of the cream cheese. Sprinkle a pinch of chopped fresh dill over the salmon. Starting at one end, gently roll up the cucumber strip tightly, enclosing the salmon and cream cheese filling. Repeat the process with the remaining cucumber strips, smoked salmon, cream cheese, and dill. Step 3. Chill and slice. Place the roll-ups on a platter or a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Refrigerate the roll-ups for at least 30 minutes to allow them to firm up. Once chilled, use a sharp knife to slice the roll-ups into bite-sized pieces. Arrange the sliced roll-ups on a serving platter. Step 4. Serve and enjoy. Serve the cucumber and smoked salmon roll-ups as an appetizer or part of a light meal. Cucumber and mint lemonade, a refreshing twist on a classic drink. Cucumber and mint lemonade is a delightful and refreshing twist on the classic lemonade. This invigorating beverage combines the coolness of cucumbers, the brightness of lemons, and the freshness of mint, creating a thirst-quenching drink that is perfect for hot summer days or any time you need a revitalizing pick-me-up. We will explore the qualities of cucumber and mint lemonade, including its key ingredients, preparation steps, and variations to suit different taste preferences. 1. The essence of cucumber and mint lemonade. Cucumber and mint lemonade offers a unique blend of flavors and aromas. The crispness of cucumber provides a cooling base, while the tartness of lemons adds a refreshing tang. The addition of fresh mint brings a burst of herbaceous flavor and complements the other ingredients perfectly. This combination creates a harmonious and balanced lemonade that is not only delicious but also a great way to incorporate the freshness of cucumbers and the invigorating quality of mint into your beverages. 2. Ingredients for cucumber and mint lemonade. To make a refreshing cucumber and mint lemonade, you will need the following ingredients. Cucumbers. Choose firm and fresh cucumbers, preferably English or Persian cucumbers, as they have a mild flavor and fewer seeds. Peel and slice the cucumbers into thin rounds or spears. Lemons. Use freshly squeezed lemon juice for the best flavor. The tartness of lemons provides the essential acidity to balance the sweetness. Fresh mint. Select fresh mint leaves, preferably spearmint or peppermint, to infuse the lemonade with a refreshing and herbaceous flavor. Tear or chop the mint leaves into smaller pieces. Sugar or sweetener. Sweeten the lemonade to taste with granulated sugar, honey, agave syrup, or any preferred sweetener. Adjust the sweetness level based on your preference. Water. Use filtered water to dilute the lemonade and achieve the desired concentration. Ice. Add ice cubes to the lemonade to keep it chilled and enhance the refreshing experience. 3. Preparation steps. Now let's explore the step-by-step process of making cucumber and mint lemonade. Step 1. Prepare the ingredients. Wash and dry the cucumbers and fresh mint leaves. Peel the cucumbers if desired, and slice them into thin rounds or spears. Squeeze the lemons to extract the fresh lemon juice. Tear or chop the mint leaves into smaller pieces. Step 2. Blend the cucumbers. In a blender or food processor, add the sliced cucumbers and a small amount of water. Blend the cucumbers until smooth and no large pieces remain. Strain the cucumber puree through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to remove any pulp or solids, if desired. This step is optional but can result in a smoother texture. Step 3. Make the lemonade. In a pitcher, combine the freshly squeezed lemon juice, strained cucumber puree, if using, chopped mint leaves, and sweetener of your choice. Stir the mixture until the sweetener is dissolved and the flavors are well combined. Add water to the pitcher, adjusting the quantity based on the desired level of concentration and taste. Stir well. Step 4. Chill and serve. Refrigerate the cucumber and mint lemonade for at least 1 to 2 hours to allow the flavors to meld together and the drink to chill. Before serving, give the lemonade a quick stir to ensure that the ingredients are well incorporated. Fill glasses with